This is the world's most genius businessman. He walked into the market, spotted a few cheap horns, and turned them into a business worth millions. He first placed the horns into a cutting machine, removing the excess parts. Then, he stripped away the inner layer, leaving only the tough outer shell to preserve its strength. Next, he heated the horn in flames to soften it for shaping. Once soft, he used tools to stretch it out, and then placed it into a machine, pressing it into the shape of a bowl. To refine it further, he returned the bowl to the cutting machine, trimming the edges for symmetry. Then, he began sanding the surface, making it smooth and fine. Switching between sanding heads, he ensured no imperfections remained. After polishing, the bowl gleamed with a mirror-like shine. But he wasn't done. He heated the inside with the torch, creating intricate patterns to enhance its beauty. In the end, this simple horn became a masterpiece, blending practicality with art. How much do you think a beautifully crafted horn bowl like this could sell for?